Good morning, all of you. I am Dr. E. Srinivasa, working as an assistant professor of physics in IDSG Government College, Chikmagaluru. In this video, I am going to solve some problems on particle accelerator, which is a chapter for 3rd BSc Physics students studying in 6th sem in paper 8, Nuclear and Particle Physics, SSF 611. This is the video for session number 17. So let us know some of the formulae which comes in particle accelerators. We know that kinetic energy acquired by the electron in a linear accelerator is given by half mu(n) square is equal to NeV. The expression for cyclotron frequency is F is equal to Be by 2 pi m, where B is the magnetic field applied, E is the charge on the proton, and m is the mass of the proton. And the expression for time is the reciprocal of the frequency, so T is equal to 1 by F, therefore 2 pi m over Be. In terms of the frequency and radius of the cyclotron, D is expression for energy of the deuteron is, or energy of the ion, E is equal to 2 pi square F square R square m. And the expression for energy of the proton or any ion is also given by E is equal to B square Q square R square over 2m. So in terms of the mass, charge, radius and magnetic field. Velocity of the ion, deuteron, proton, etc. V is equal to BQR by m. Number of revolutions made by the electron in betatron is given by n is equal to c over 4 omega r, where c is the speed of light, omega is the angular frequency, r is the radius of the orbit. But omega is equal to 2 pi f. By substituting the value of 2 pi f, you get another equation, n is equal to c over 8 pi fr. Total energy acquired by the electron in betatron is given by E is equal to BeRc, where B is the magnetic field, E is the charge on the electron, R is the radius of the orbit, C is the speed of light. Average value of the energy per turn is given by 4E omega R square B, or total energy over number of turns N, and it is also given by E by N is equal to 8 pi R square BEF. By substituting omega is equal to 2 pi f also. So we will discuss the problems one by one. First problem. In a linear accelerator, proton accelerated thrice by a potential of 40 keV leaves a tube and enters an accelerating space of length 30 centimeter before entering a next tube. Calculate the frequency of RF voltage. We have to calculate the frequency of RF voltage in LINAC. Solution. Let V1 and V2 be the velocities of protons on entering and leaving the space. Let m be the mass and E be the charge on the electron respectively. Then we know that kinetic energy acquired by the electron in linear accelerator is given by half mu(n) square is equal to NeV. But here proton accelerated thrice, therefore half mu(n) square is equal to 3 eV. So equate for V1, here V1 square is there, so V1 is equal to root of 3 into 2 eV by m. And also we can modify this formula. V1 is equal to 3 into 2V into E by m. So we can calculate the value of E by m ratio, that is specific charge of the proton, by substituting the charge of the proton and the mass of the proton. We get the value of E by m as 9.578 into 10 power 7 for proton, and 3 into 2 into 40 kV, 40,000 volt as V. After simplification, we get the velocity of the electron So as 4.794 into 10 power 6 meter per second. So velocity acquired by the electron in the first drift tube is 4.794 into 10 power 6 meter per second. Similarly, we can also calculate velocity acquired by the second drift tube. V2 is equal to, so n is equal to here 4 into 2 into 40 kV into E by M ratio, and after simplification we get V2 is equal to 5.4536 into 10 power 6 meter per second. So the mean velocity while traveling the 0.3 meter, that is 30 centimeter, becomes 0.3 meter distance, is equal to V1 plus V2 divided by 2. So V1 value is 4.794 into 10 power 6 and V2 value is 5.536 into 10 power 6. Add these two and divided by 2, we get the mean value as 5.165 into 10 power 6 meter per second. The time taken to travel 0.3 meter distance is of the period, that is T by 2 of the radius of the RF voltage. This is the condition for cyclotron. So T by 2 is equal to, so distance, time, this is the time is equal to, we know that velocity is equal to distance travelled over time taken. So time taken is equal to distance travelled over velocity, that is average velocity. So distance travelled is 0.3 meter, the average velocity is 5.165 into 10 power 6. Cross multiply, we get T is equal to 2 into 0.3 into, this is 0.3 divided by 5.165 into 10 power 6. After simplification, or we know that F is equal to 1 by T. So frequency of the RF oscillator. So our voltage applied. Here this is the expression for T, but frequency is equal to reciprocal of the T, that is 1 by T. So therefore 5.165 into 10 power 6 over 2 into 0.3 becomes 0.6. So after simplification, we get the value of frequency of RF voltage as 8.608 into 10 power 6 Hertz. So the frequency value is 8.608 for 10 power 6, we can megahertz. We can take 10 power 6 as mega. So 8.608 megahertz is the value of the frequency of the RF voltage. Next, the problem number 2. The magnetic field of 0.7 Tesla is applied to accelerate deuterons in a cyclotron. What is the frequency of the electric field applied between the Ds? Mass of the deuteron is given as 3.4 into 10 power minus 27 kg and charge on the deuteron is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Solution. So in the problem given, magnetic field 0.7 Tesla, mass of the deuteron and also charge on the deuteron. We know that the expression for cyclotron frequency is F is equal to B by 2 pi m. Substitute all the value of B, E and M, we get B is equal to 0.7 into charge on the deuteron 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 over 2, pi value is 3.142 into mass of the deuteron 3.4 into 10 power minus 27 kg. After simplification, we get the value of frequency F is equal to 5.524 into 10 power 6 Hertz or 5.524 megahertz. Let us discuss the problem number 3. A cyclotron in which the flux density is 1.4 Tesla, that is value of magnetic field is given, is employed to accelerate protons. How rapidly should the electric field between the Ds is reversed? Given mass of the proton equals 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 kg. So value of B is given, that is 1.4 Tesla, not 0.4 Tesla, it is 1.4 Tesla, and M 1.6 into 10 power minus 27 kg charge. We have to calculate time. How rapidly should the electric field between the Ds is reversed. Time should be calculated. We know that F is equal to B by 2 pi m. Therefore, time is equal to 2 pi m by B. Substitute all the values and simplify. We get the value of time 2.342 into 10 power minus 8 seconds. Problem number 4. A cyclotron of radius 0.462 meter is used to accelerate deuterons. The oscillator frequency is 25 megahertz. Find the magnetic flux density needed and also energy acquired by the deuterons. Given mass of the deuterons is equal to 3.32 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Cyclotron of radius R is 0.462 meter is given. Frequency is 25 megahertz, 25 into 10 power 6 hertz, and mass of the deuteron is given. We have to calculate magnetic flux density, that means B, and also energy acquired by the deuteron, that is E. Magnetic flux density. So you know that cyclotron frequency F is equal to BQ by 2 pi m. So B is equal to 2 pi mF over Q. Using the expression for cyclotron frequency, we can equate for the magnetic field. So B is equal to, substitute all the values and simplify. We get the value of B as 3.529 Tesla. In terms of the frequency and radius of cyclotron D's, expression for energy of the deuteron is given by E is equal to 2 pi square F square R square M. So 2 pi value, substitute all the values of given parameters. F is 25 megahertz, R is 0.462 and M is 3.32 into 10 power minus 27 kg. After simplification, you will get the value of energy acquired by the deuterons is equal to 8.742 into 10 power minus 12 joule. And also you can convert this joule into electron volt also by dividing 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Problem number 5. Deuteron in a cyclotron describes a circle of radius 0.32 meter just before emerging from the Ds. The frequency of the applied EMF is 10 megahertz. Find the flux density and velocity of the deuteron. Given mass of the deuteron equals 3.32 into 10 power minus 27 kg. So given radius of the Ds 0.32 meter, frequency is 10 megahertz, 10 into 10 power 6 hertz, and mass of the deuteron is given. I have to find out the value of the magnetic flux density, that is B, and also velocity of the deuteron V. So again, from the condition for cyclotron, frequency, magnetic flux density is given by B is equal to 2 pi mF by Q, because F is equal to BQ by 2 pi m or B by 2 pi m. So B is equal to 2, substitute value of all the parameters which are given, and after simplification we will get the value of B as 1.3037 Tesla or Weber per meter square. Velocity of the deuteron is given by V is equal to BQR by M, that is equal to value of B is 1.3037 and charge on the deuteron is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb, and R value is 0.32 and M, substitute the M value as 3.32 into 10 power minus 27. After simplification we get the velocity of the deuteron as 2.01 into 10 power 7 meter per second. I have used all these books as reference to make this video. So thank you for watching. Thank you once again.